Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. I think this is our final video today. We got an OC&T freight train coming. Let's check it out. And looks like we're going to have a traffic jam. Got a semi-truck over here, and there's three more automobiles, including 2 trucks over there.
Oh, they're all in there today. Jack's up there too.
I don't see no Jack.
He's up there.
I was in the middle of a live chat on a premiere on my regular channel page. About my Memorial Day special. And I told on the live chat I messed up the premiere on this just a moment ago on the Train Expert channel. But I'll have the premiere. I'll be back. I should be back with the live chat probably tomorrow, because I should have a premiere at 7 p.m. tomorrow anyway. It's like a stop. Looks like a stop towards the rear.
That's not good.
No, there's a switch. They had a switch going on after that last after that Oil City run. Yeah. Now they're going. Oh, there's a sweat. Oh, there's a sweat. Oh, okay, there's a sweat. There might be a switch. Trying to throw the switch right there on. That's why there's a stop almost towards the rear. That's why it's going to cause a traffic jam. Yep, there's the end now. Because the lights are shut off. Alright, this is going to be it for today. For Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Oh, by the way, I gotta thank the Oil Creek Plastics and the WL Plastics for doing the yesterday's trains, along with the Intermodal Wax place for doing the trains yesterday. Oh, today was a Honda CRV. Huh? Yeah, yesterday he had a Ford Focus, and then today was a CRV. So it was like a two Hondas hauling the OC&T for the Oil City run. So also we gotta thank the Quality Inn for doing the trains as well. Great seeing that there too. And then today I gotta thank the Petroleum Center and the Drakewell Station, and Perry Street stations for heading over there. Oh, here's a Walnut Creek semi-truck. Keep that camera rolling. There we go. There it is, huh? So we're gonna get off for today, and thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert live train video on YouTube. everybody have a good day, and we'll talk to you guys all tomorrow on the Train Expert channel or sometime later on the regular channel. No, I just did earlier. It was a heat advisory. I just did that before the trains got started, so I didn't want to. So I have it on there. So we're going to get the 4 videos today. We're going to get 3 on the Train Expert channel and 1 on the regular channel page. So, but I got to get off. I want to see if that premiere is still going on my regular channel page. And thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. And we'll talk to you guys all tomorrow for more videos. Talk to you then.